A super popular question that I get asked is, what updates, what repairs, what things shall I do to my house in order to get the most for it? Should I get all new landscaping? Should I repaint it? Should I put new flooring in? Should I update the kitchen, the baths? All of those questions are asked to me regularly. So what's the right answer? It depends. Isn't that horrible? It depends. I can't give you an answer specifically. However, I will say that there are things that you can do that bring the most value. Would you believe that a garage door opener, a brand new garage door opener is almost 1 for 1? Is that crazy? You can get a brand new garage door opener, it lifts the price of your house about the exact same amount. Same with the front door. Landscaping, not so much. Depending upon the level of upgrade you do to the kitchen, it can range anywhere from 60 cents back on your dollar to 80 cents back on your dollar for more minor upgrades like painting the cabinets and replacing the hardware. So if you have specific questions like that, reach out to an agent. We read these things, we pay attention to them all the time, and it could be the kind of thing where it's better just to sell your house the way that it is, because it won't give you money back by pushing the price up. New windows, new doors, new whatever, right? Like some of those things won't really do it. Or there may be some really low-hanging fruit that would be super simple. If you fixed them, we could show you how much more money you would get. One example that pops into my mind, and I'll let you go, is a room in the basement that just had a concrete floor. Everything else was finished, and they were already putting carpet down the stairs, but they weren't planning to put it across the basement floor. It was a dry basement, right? And I said, hey, let's go ahead and put it there. They easily got that money back, right? So there are all kinds of little tips and tricks like that that your agent will be able to share with you to put more money, or I should say keep more money in your pocket.